Hi everyone. Automation and self-service are key initiatives of most of the organizations today. In this demo, I'll demonstrate what one of my customers has done, where they integrated their network or backup solution with ServiceNow to offer self-service backup operations for their customers. I'm Romel de Guzman of Dell Technologies. They've done a few integrations. Today, I'll show you two examples. I'll first show you ad hoc restore. This is the first page their customers will see. In the host name field, they can just type a subset of the name, and it will list down the hosts that contain what they just typed. They will also choose what they plan to restore, if it's a file system, a database, or whatever they want to restore. They will scroll down for more fields to fill out. We've selected file as the restore type. We've also selected the file that we want to restore. In their environment, they pre-selected drive D as the restore destination. Then they allow their customers to select a period on where they want their restore to come from. In this case, it's from April 1 to April 22, 2019. Then the save time field will be pre-populated based on their inputs: period of backup, restore type, client, and what to restore. They will then choose from the list of backups. That's it. We've selected April 17 as the backup date to get the restore from. Once submitted, the customer will see a summary of their request, together with the case number. In this submission, the case number is 14458. If we go to the client, here's the drive D, which is the restore destination. It will list down all the requests in folders. We will select the request number 14458, and here's the file that we just restored via ServiceNow. Here's the workflow of their ad hoc restore automation in ServiceNow. Only ServiceNow admins can see this. These links are dynamically placed and can dynamically be changed. Drag and drop. If you follow the workflow from the begin, there will be loops, timers, scripts until they finish the request successfully. They also created ad hoc backups for their customers. Likewise, it's selecting the host name and the backup type. You might be confused on why there's backup require and disable backup. They combine this use case when their customers want to decommission a server. They can either do the last backup of that server and disable the backup thereafter, or just disable the backup with no last backup required before decommissioning it. Again, there will be a summary, and in this case, the request number is 14459. This is the workflow for the ad hoc backup. If you see here, you'll be able to exactly see where in the workflow is the request at now. In this phase, you'll see that it's running a script to run the backup. On the next phase, you'll see that there's a timer checking if the backup has been completed already before moving to the next phase. This is another view only available for admins. This lists down all the requests. You'll see our ad hoc restore with request number 14458 is successfully completed, while our ad hoc backup with request number 14459 is still active. This is an example of Networker REST API script, where it says action as a backup and what Networker policy and workflow to run. This is one of the scripts that they used. Simple, right? What I've just shown is an example of how Networker can integrate with ServiceNow to fulfill your automation and self-service requirements. You can have more integrations as you like. Thank you for watching.